파리 토큰 개발자 제리 박사의 비트코인에 대한 설명입니다.
What is a Bitcoin mining algorithm? So the Bitcoin mining algorithm can make all of the miner working properly. So in the Bitcoin mining, there's one very important algorithm we call it hash. Hash is the one of the algorithm created with the United States. It's used by United States Security Center. And what does it mean? It means SHA-256. Let's say, for example, DRD. It will be equals to a 256 binary, which means like, for example, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And all this consists of a 0 and a 1. And the total number will be 256 bit. This is called a hash algorithm. And in hash, this typical feature is it's easy to get the input to output. But when I give you the output, it's very difficult to calculate the input. This is also used in the wallet. The private key can easily to get a public key, but from the public key, it's very hard to get a private key. Okay, this is one hash algorithm. And I would like to talk about how the Bitcoin mining works and what kind of the math problem they calculate at. So, for example, when we create a block here, and all the miners needs to create this block. They will be talking of one thing, it's called a string. This string equals to the last block header plus each miner's transactions plus time stamp plus a random number. So in this string, the last block header is fixed. So every miner is the same. But to each miner, the transactions and timestamp is different. So in this case, some miner will calculate the random number easily. So I'll talk about this later about why Bitcoin mining has a lock factor. Let's say in the math problem, they want to use the hash. They need to calculate the hash of the string for 2 times, which means SHA-256 string, and also do one more time SHA-256, and then they want the output. The output will be like it will be like a 256-bit binary as well, and the creator of a Bitcoin that requests the first ends must 0. So the output will be 0, 0, 0, 0. There will be end 0, and then the after that will be 1, and the total number here is 256 bit. This n will determines how many miners working in the network, and this n is also means the difficulty that determine in the whole network the miner will working properly.